Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung M31s. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to jump over in the device settings section. After click over this, scroll down and you need to click here your general management. So you're going to click this general management. After click over there, you will find here date and time. So you're going to click this date and time. After click over there, if you want to change date and time in your Samsung M31s, you need to click here. You can see here it's saying automatic date and time. This is like the currently country you are. It's going to, this device is going to detect automatically that country time, and it's going to be appear that country. But if you want to customize your date and time, you can easily turn this off, and then here you can easily choose the selected time zone, the currently country you are. You can choose any country, and then from go back, let me go back. And then if you want to change date, you can set here the particular date you want. If you want to set time, you can choose any time you want. So this is how you can easily change date and time in your Samsung M31s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.